The Solaris Essentials class is the fundamental class that every Unix system administrator would take. It teaches basic concepts in Unix. Now, Solaris is a little different from other flavors of Unix, but if you've already taken a basic Unix class, a basic Linux class, very similar, you could potentially get by without this class and move right into the sysadmin course. But if you've never had any experience working in the Unix shell, this is the first class that you should take. It's going to teach you how to log in and out of Solaris. It's going to introduce the desktop environment to you, although the focus is going to be on learning Unix, learning Solaris from the command line. We're not going to rely on the GUI environment. Many servers don't have the GUI environment installed, so it's very important that you do learn from the command line. We're going to talk about command line strings and how to perform different functions. We're going to talk about the command syntax. We're going to use the help features within the command line. I'm going to show you how to navigate directory structures and file systems, how to understand the difference between a directory and a file system. You're going to manipulate text files. You're going to create files in directories, back up and restore user files in directories, change permissions on files and directories. You'll use the different editors that are available in Solaris, but we're going to focus on the VI editor, which is the standard editor in most Unix systems. I'm going to teach you how to identify and modify the shell initialization files that you're going to use as startup files every time you log in. We'll talk about the different shells that are available in Solaris and how to best determine which shell is going to work out for you, but most Solaris system administrators using Solaris 11 are going to be using the bash shell, so we're going to concentrate on the bash shell. You'll employ shell features to streamline command execution. You'll learn to use basic network commands. You'll use commands to search directories and files. And then finally, you'll be able to list active user processes and selectively kill user processes. So that's what you're going to learn in the Solaris Essentials class, and I hope to have you join me.